Hi, GCs. Mima Olivia Aquaba. Had yet latest and hot news in Kwan and I'm a Bremo. NT, so we can subscribe here. Omodia say over subscribe to the channel. The way I say over click the subscribe button. Now barely notification. Where is a new video be upload when the first person of Sabeka ASR video. I feel we are now like video give us a thumbs up. Now feel share my offer for us now we may be here now and some Koso Ghana Memohano. Afriyie Bura Sama Veto Yeposo. Yiti yes, Uncle Kosi Samira Babitu Yiti home.
If you look at all these three manifestos, Abba, don't meet me that didn't mean what this kind of manifestos. Or shall meet the president, I'm going to pick it from that particular area. Oscar, what's Uncle for me saying now? There is a lot of inconsistencies. Nipa Bakope, and Abeka Sanedian and Oyano. He really understands what he's doing. Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng. Adia way. Never because a manifesto is an intention. And here, when mercy or babies are about with them a pen. But the one seminar bit me out to a banana. But the point so bit my yard here. That's the most important thing. And if you look at manifestos, there's no government in this world, a democratic era. I will not catch us a day to about the manifesto which my delivering in a intent purposes are person here. But there said there are some signature projects in Women Manifesto. No? Oh yeah, it cuts across everywhere. And if you look at the NPP manifesto, now we read the NDC manifesto. I made a say, me pe one day. Oscar Mensah no of Amomwame. Me pe NDC manifesto. NPP manifesto on the menya. I want to bring all the three together. Okay. Then we see the inconsistencies. The consistencies, propaganda, nokre, and it okay. Because Omo de Ukraine offer may say that one remove the NDC and the NPP. But I can't imagine I see a lot of inconsistencies. NDC NPP for the at home. But if you look at NDC, your mama so basic children's hospital, Omusi Bidada. Over to you, Omusi Bidada. Yes. So if you look at the NDC, then Oscar, today permit me. Message someone pe NDC diane mame. Okay. Because of our major responsibility now is to educate and enlighten the Ghanaian. Yes. If you look at this particular show, we are over nipa be 50,000 or 60,000 area. Of a show na nipa me ensa na area. One, the nima de chain. The nene yape. Any do nima de chain. We have to convince two to come and join us. Do ni yape no. E said the neighbor. Now, if you look at all these three manifestos, Abba, don't meet me that didn't mean what this kind of manifestos. Or shall meet the president, I'm going to pick it from that particular area. Oscar, what's Uncle for me saying now? There is a lot of inconsistencies. Nipa Bakope, and Abeka Sanedian and Oyano. He really understands what he's doing. Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng.
The great transformation.
I'm telling you, where Ghana home. Say yes, be pa, you better again. Ghana na, Salomon and Fan Twaba. I ask him.
Manifesto.
Yeah, Fan Twaba. Say manifesto Pánic associated Twaba. And the new patriotic party cannot say anything. Manifesto they say dinner so party at Twaba because there's a lot of no wonder. NPP for call and job manifesto. NPP for catcher say, Oma created jobs over 2.1 million. Means all a young girl no beka say na.
Yeah.
Was say NPP for created 21 million jobs.
No mind cry yes say.
Ghana say now the year population census in 2024. Now we have grown by 1.93. 1.93 is around 34 million Ghanaians. Yeah. Oscar for phone person your calculation okay. For phone. Now number 21.
21
divided by 34. Times 100.
Oh, 21 divided.
Yes.
Divided by 34.
Yes. Times 100. Let's say
61.
61. Yes. 61.7. Who run figure it by 62?
Yeah.
Who take your banner bekaya? Or purchase of my Ghana form we must say no is 62% in Ghana.
Current.
And Akufo Addo between 2017 and 2024, NPP phone quite being 21 million. How is that possible?
But so Omaba want to say no mistake. I'm say 2.1.
Me say, I'm not official communique about.
I'm for official communique.
That is the problem I'm having with the party.
All right.
And I did be official. There's one thing say be Oscar. Obetimi aka sembi. As some now can there will be discrepancies or there will be problems with it. But their FN is as a corporate settings and entity. You come out and says, oh, Bianca Oscar Pesoka 2.1, Wakaka 21. You say silence mean consent.
Yeah.
And it's an official communicated by the chest. Oh, there be said an uncle Oscar Pesoka and one finito ye. Now look at the inconsistencies. One, if you look at Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, almost might be over 2.3 million.
Yeah.
Minister for Labor and Employment. In 2017, 2021, was it Ghana for my being 3.5 million? On the day, can you find some? Was my being 3.5 million?
Yeah.
And also what you call 2022. Was it NPP about the Akufo Addo being 5.3?
You are watching Juicy News
within
on
that
YouTube.
range.
Within 2017 versus 2022. Now, who has a minister now? On every data passes through his end. Make her ignorance by for he has been the labor minister from 2017. Every data passes through his head because on a labor and employment minister. What's got you? Or carry you? Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so might be 2.3. Mahmoud Bawumia 2.3 now can. Was so called public accounts or public sector. And when the control and the two
Yeah.
was say controller side might be 1.2 million.
Oh, controller side.
Yes.
Okay.
Controller for so that kind of so might be human. Omutu omuka Ghana America so omutu omuka 600,000.
And only inconsistency now can have some.
And now they tell you, one higher president, another vice president. O say you be a number 2.3. Zito on a friend say minister for labor and employment. Every data passes through a end. Zito end. Zito say be a number 5.3. Why there you
Same party,
same government too.
Yeah.
Dear who so they say
same data.
Same data offer. Nipa no ye controller no.
Yeah.
Our public sector workers can. Was it Nipa otu omuka 600,000. You see the inconsistency. Thank you. The new patriotic party. I catch it say Paulugu da momaye.
Yeah.
We have.
Yeah.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Mahmoud Bawumia
party they say they Nipa no akasa kire de oka ye. Na kire osan so obeye.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Eko kopie mu e wasempa.
Yeah.
And only OBD nkomo. And OB catch say of the northern part of Ghana. Northern part of Ghana na we no. Ka signature project ba kwa maye. As a signature project no a cut across. Obe cut us our project in there e serious.
The BI.
Baby Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia catch say ti asem you.
Kwame Nkrumah pension.
Was say o my signature project be a was o my Paulugu Dam. Paulugu Dam no a Bank of Ghana for sika in the koye. A $12 million.
Go to Akura
till $12 million. Hey, Oscar Menka himself. Or maybe I will share me be our own. Ghanaian politicians, majority of them are wicked. Make me need to enter. Do not more thing. They don't think about the interest of their people. They think about a selfish interest. Of us, somewhere they be a come say, no, me call northern part of Ghana. Oscar, me say me negotiate pay a Kwaku PM or Tamale. You do pay, yes, a black vote offer. Yes, you should not give my mouth for Janio. Or my from Kwaku pay baby. If you look at Paulugu Dam and person one major purpose of the Paulugu Dam, they say they want to do irrigation.
Yeah.
So the bay you bien so you see Baghdad Dam be or Burkina Faso. You be a sense no money no money be. Okay. Mahmoud Bawumia is coming from the northern part of Ghana. Oscar you a home of share you be sa Baghdad Dam now. If you watch some of the videos or rebel. A month for Ghana, a month for no me say. Nyamia you want to be the president. $12 million a bit me a Paulugu Dam. Paulugu Dam na kona kwa chekiwe. A white elephant, there's not a ground the bibiani ho.
So omo babonche because 12 million yes mobilization was a bibisa. And I say omo admit say $12 million bia kodam bunim but enye no na ye dey ye damp no.
$12 million ya dey.
Omo say no near for mobilization
$12 million
yes. Omo be kan.
For mobilization.
Omo be kan.
Oscar me say say Nyankopon che dai say heaven bunsam jam wo pa. Say Nyankopon de yenya say be ko bunsam nya de yenya be ko ka politicians for one. Then God has not been fair to us.
Say the see.
Tie. Say Nyankopon say Bible yes you can say hell ne heaven wo ha. Now say hell wo ha. And say politicians for no. The kind of hell they should go to. Say temperature no say ebenya 5 they should give them 100%. Do you know why we vote for this kind of people? We vote for them to think about our welfare, not to re-echo our problems to us. Mahmoud Bawumia so why Paulugu Dam a signature project. Now one do almost a launching manifesto. No, was that catch some Paulugu Dam? Look at the inconsistency.
I will prioritize the construction of Paulugu Dam. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
He should bow his head down in shame. This kind of election that we are going for, I said, is the most dangerous and the most critical election that we are going for.
History,
now go and check the NDC, go and check the NPP. The kind of war drum the two parties are beating. Now me catch them, so all indicators are showing say you're not extremely careful. You bet more Rwanda, you bet more Sudan, you bet more Burkina, you bet more Cote d'Ivoire. We are not better than these countries.
Unfortunately, say you was saying to kwa near the
so no be beyond the no say a coin be as a plan bay.
Dear, when he said the National Youth Organizer of the New Patriotic Party was saying we will never we will not sacrifice our victory for peace. Just a minute
of peace.
Just a minute. No matter Malek Basintali. Or say if iron and iron miss is going to be fire.
Yeah.
See,
and woman soon him
or you friend say or Parado, youth organizer of the NDC. Or say if you pull your dagger, I'll pull my dagger. What I say, what true to make him true. Ya game cause
it is because I have for me in Jaya.
I said, look at you, I said they are not ready to sign any peace agreement.
Yeah.
Now what the National Peace Council call NDC for Pamo mu free ho. Kojo as ma make Oscar Kyeremanteng.
Na Franco. Sorry Max we say any sansem ye nkofo kan nyina mu peace council no. Wo hwe sansem no e di peace ba. The sansem no sa mrantie wo sa two political parties wo die wuntumi ka the champo woka the basintele eka the way can and no mote.
That is the problem. That is why I have a problem with them.
With the peace council.
Yes, I'm telling you. Oscar Kyeremanteng because here. So we catch ourselves over 1 million ways of winning an election is serious. Now if you look at Oguaya of Eka's Brian Champion, let's not forget. Brian Champion can as an offer. Brian Champion has been a minister of state. A minister of state at the presidency in charge of security. Ono supervisor about to no Ayawaso West Wagon. Sa about to your boss from Georgia soon. Sa about to national security for Kobo among for. Now they set up a short commission. And the short commission, you can catch it say that man should be remanded.
Hot news all
make up a prayer can say Brian Champion. Now Akufo Addo as you promote to quite the fair Kwaku Annan Greek minister.
Nse Ghana de say if it's a free ankra. Wo mo call Brazil ba ya yes ni ministry wo mo call enema akwa ya yes ye na firo afedi abrabetna presidency.
And idea who say this man has been in the security service. Why you Juma or US?
Yeah.
US military. Now if you won't call order. Who's a police ni soldier no fa? Your quartermaster or your tailor for your fitter for your chef for to be how on conto kwada. Go and watch documentaries. A US for ma conto kwa wako Iraq. US ne wako Afghanistan. US ne wako war torn areas. Or can no more ma form di chero. Me say go and watch documentary in Sierra Leone and Liberia. E de ohun bi da ye de ni pansa to se ne bisa o se. O pe short sleeve and ase long sleeve. Long sleeve ni ye yum sa had free ho. Short sleeve ye yum sa had free ho. Go and watch babies. And crank it well. And my Johnny.
And I now hear Franco so we hear TV no. Yes, we mo no ye refugee for no mo ko. TV no the access wa be 10 minutes into no free trade return. We no say kwan na etia. We try kwan bro 40 years.
Oscar is a serious matter. We should not joke with it too. Me so call a Cote d'Ivoire they have the biggest basilica. Biggest basilica your bomb pie only 500 year in 2010.
Okay.
We should not joke with it too. Oscar. Why of politicians in Africa omi pabonefo do na do you know say in 2010 omo di Laurent Gbagbo and Ouattara 500 people died of an omi no more they sit and eat and dine together. Ghana NPP NDC need to radio so no more kasa no more o ma kwatena se didi me this kind of manifesto ni annual we me say mo pa bi mame sa de do na ye true rebranded repackaged rebranding and repackaging.
For Kratch, say NPP and this manifesto no Oshemu critically almost 60 to 70% the same thing.
Wait, say NPP for say NDC for copy NDC for say NPP for copy. So to play it safe, Omo no soro omo come baby. Na ye mpo bi fufo no meli diga.
No.
Because then you can Kwajo, mame I Oscar mane ka sam kire. The NDC is creating a certain kind of impression by again koso. About we NDC 4% omo kire say bibia no be maso so madwen so malusu aba no. Ya say omo kan o.
It is based on the wo bi na dikan.
Oscar me fa ni agro.
Bi no dikan. Da bia me ka me sese be ma wo yiri num ye mienu. Na ofi se da bia wo mkoko anu akọwale obo otoso miensa. Wo so le anu akọhye ni fie no omu mienu no omu afen.
Wo na wi awi. Me say the NDC is creating a certain kind of impression. The NPP is desperate in breaking the 8. The NDC is desperate in delaying the 8. NPP for near break person mu break. NDC for so near break person mu delay. Oscar, this is the most critical election.
Condition na wo menu mu no so en favor say wo mu beto aso. Because oman mu ya ye be kwa koto aba. Na da ene ne ye be di NPP achi. Oman panyin kofo kra no me say the first time no a
you are watching GC News.
Oman panyin kofo slogan de ko election kra. He was sitting to aba. And na chirem say so far so good so BBB say you know kra the vote so tey. No kra no the second round vote so tey. But if you say we be watimi beating over 1 million votes. Now we say akọ second round we lose 32 MPs. At a go one term we lose 32 MPs. I'm a vote no be 700,000 asati ayira. E no krampo no na free SHS afa no maye no mani ade o. Na hwe o manya yetimu da bia sika ayira. O man no yetimu no da bia sika ayira. Adichie bia sika kodu obi ho ye ntimenye. Adichie enti se wotete sa ansem wo ya na o hu ni sai. E na tem bia sa ban bia ba be kwa. Eti se enkrane wode abasan mu se wo mu change leader. Wode enkrane esan line na de abasan mu a bo se we yafa se na kwa se obi e pe baabi MPP for ndie minim se dodo na de ama we koso nyina ne se abasa anye ya eja kakra ka me se me de akose baabi
na Franco mami Musa se wo hwe comment a chema wuntumi ama comment abran champo mo kekeka de basentali no mo kekeka no wugiri se baako especially NDC eluzu aba no mbeji atu
me say aba we on nipa ba ko se obi ahwe ne ye pa the electoral commission
Mensah
nanka
about they say 2020 no ABC 2025 is a recipe for disaster, a recipe for chaos. We can get violence in Ghana.
Ya to abawie man what the best 3 different results.
Thank you.
Free obi ana wo kan free obi ana wo kan enunti na on say Franco last the na me ka se eniyama mu betia ye fan na nwanwa se beto sa abre na NDC ne ala Kyeremanteng no ne other political parties no sa ayi na me kan me say Franco say yes our regional coalition no declare results no regional basis at the 16 results pekoko maji Mensah ubia drobi anka dem drobi because Ashanti region dey enye no reading any yabi num ene na nakwesem num dey Ashanti region dey ekọ figure be ne betimi asesa. But the moment ebesi akwakoye se 2020 die ni bie no ebayire
and Oscar nenta make us about we ye di agra issue be say in 2020 elections we lost 8 people and no quite the police for who you I hear official report from the Ghana police the besi wa kire yenim abrante bi we school for wo kofie na asa manfo ye boat pa abrante na you
benya first deputy speaker in parliament ya baba kase or your kromfo.
Yes. And it's a so if you look at 2020 elections, 8 people you lose you. It may be a minus. It be a 12 years, it be a 14 years.
Are you for grievances now? One the second one NDC for.
Oh, okay.
One see nipa no ewu touch mine. One fa report no emra na one na one koko di se adwuma no. E den na akwa akosie.
And 8 people ewu ye. Now, secondly, if you look at it, say Tichimaya, but Mensah course, oh, the MP, no, a lot of people have that perception, say, about 1 minute. About 1 minute with Tichimaya. But Empire have to do 1 or 2 stuff to make sure so make me up 1 minute.
Franco, if I hear one say I could be the independent candidate, be a chair and board the phone in Ayako.
Oh, yeah. Asante Achimno.
It's why would you say, Obi no. IMF number say would the independent candidate echi ye o ma ko twan board fu ni nyina egu a signal say It is any part no di adwene no no so say ewo ni tirim.
So Oscar, this kind of election, the electoral commission has a lot of work to do. I'm telling you. Omo wa adwuma ye papa. Na nti omo wa adwuma ye say this kind of election due diligence have to work. On a referee, let Ghanaians decide. Don't suppress the will of the people. Don't suppress it. So omo titum say so omo to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia NPP omo so allow them. So omo omo dey say allow Kojo Kyeremanteng omo pa allow them. Say Jomama omo pa allow them. Don't do something that will benefit a political party, that will bring violence or war in Ghana.
And na dey ba ko aya na esan so ha ne say yeso o kan obi kasa bo ahia ohu asem no Franco ka no ye nyina enim say Franco asem a wo ka na ye pa but bibi nti yese ende ye ma anya adwuma say Franco wo ho no mu an tirim eden na beba obe na dwene say ne ye pese ye fa kwan bi so sisi no because to da asem bi wo ho no ma there was a time when because me catch the custom officer business ma me no kan sensible being be abeti ase o se me didi na ten na me se me nidi watem because obi se ne niema e wo yen ye kam ene enso ye se niema na wo bobodini no eni sa ka we because container no enipa no ye container wo ye different ye bia e ye container foforo mu ne wo na waka kire se wom abo anadwo be se 8 o me se ye nse nyi niema ni nyina enwo na ye se da bi so wo hwe niema we ya ye bebo pa ame yi niema we nyina gu ho ansa na ya sen ahia de pese ye nse ma me ukitaka ye to petrol di amaw ye nu nyina na ekọ ye kọ ni ye yi niema no na wo hwe etidi ebe ye wo dia no na de agu wo ka num de se wo de ni nimu a opon se ya to petrol amaw num ni ade nyina wo de no aye dai no aba ba bi ma me so ntia se kofa kosom officers no e ba ya anadwo be 9 okro ko msi ye yi niema ni gu ye yi niema ni gu ho ma me no hwehwe mu ana ne niema nim e na me ka kire kosom officers asema ne ye kan sensible being bia beti ase
because we did not move.
Me for home.
And Oscar, this kind of elections, we should not joke with it. It's a serious critical election. Me nyama say me refugee. E bia no I want to be refugee dia fa me nyama gen say me refugee. One, me need passport. Two, me ska me kwa copy ticket. In a mini visa. From na matena for the past years a medini na yem birthday. Haya na matena. Do you know the kind of thing that goes into if you are a refugee? Now to come corridor say na wase fu krom so kwa akọba asesa wo baabi
wa bra wo mu awo na wo ko
enti na mesre this manifesto nesa the kind of comments people are making Oscar who
but Franco on the scale of 10
yes.
From we share easy and share wo mo share barely about 4 to 5 months here for 2 aba obekas omo bom ho modern
me I have one major problem with them that BVR machine here basically no man for serial numbers na ma political parties and have issues with them. See, you say these are the BVR machines 1 2 3 bakwaira ayira na mun the Syria ko and he said that be obi kona so kotwa bi digumu a tell you okotwa bi digumu a made no say adabi sa dey with it is an illegal one. Why is the EC preventing the political parties from knowing it? None of our teams some akotwa obi say su humu ba bi o say
me da be feel say be cry
biometric
na kita no nye sa biometric yi bi na kita no ase de om di twa loto bi kura mpo na
anti is a serious matter. This kind of election there should be due diligence, my brother. Due diligence. It should be a free and fair election. Do be when you win it. What me ko football match. No one lose. What's a coach referee say referee game wey dey would ni come fair official. Obit me when match what's a catch referee referee say match with this. Ma win na mum kwa fa so ma me win e kranya win papa.
Oh team me ka say team bi referee bi je penalty man. Omo ntimi nka so omo mo nti o ma de okobo no bofa ba bi kura because in
Nigeria ho ba
bi chese ni wu keke
body to ba
kura.
So it tells you so this kind of election that we are going for the most dangerous and most critical election that we are going. The electoral commission nenta maye din ba akone say of obi ho started man the person is learning on the job oba afoforo no na ye close to election ye den ba ye tie be no do one on cheda antiase. Now you've been in office close to 4 years. The kind of problems over 4 years later, you should be able to identify the problems and get solutions for the problems.
Yeah.
And you have to have trouble. You can't percentage was a sabako or the same. You say the NDC for Niesiabre, NPP for Niesiabre, Afafanto for Niesiabre. No, Adia Ketrabi Obeyebiano is a recipe for disaster.
Yo, it for waiting and someone about the toy so make out say hi GC News and indeed so when you subscribe or more than say over subscribe to the channel. Now feel so we are well like video give us a thumbs up now feel share my offer so now when you be here and say hi latest and hot news kwa enamide Prempeh also betting me at Gyamfi and so we now will comment boxing Mobati make a view in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.